Most AI agents can think, but when it's time to execute on chain, they get stuck. They need native gas. They need smart wallet setup. They depends on chain specific dependencies. Here is the quick demo with our own agentic Tychi wallet integrated with UGF, Universal Gas Framework, to solve all these problems. Let's dive in. Now, let's set up our own agentic wallet. First, we need an Anthropic API key, which will act as a brain for whole agent. Now, we can also connect our Telegram so that we can leave CLI and also do transaction and our on-chain interactions remotely with our phone. Also, let us add Alchemy API key so that we can rather rely on public RPC endpoints. We can have our own private RPC endpoints. So yeah, now I will enter my own seed phrase so that I can show you how it really works, how transactions go through UGF and Agentic Wallet. First, I ask for my balance on BNB and base chain. Here you can see all my balances. Then I ask for particular token balances on both blockchains. If the token contracts are missing, Tychi finds them and saves them in its local memory. Now the important part. Let us do a transaction. I will ask him to send 10% of my USDC on BNB chain gaslessly. Means the gas has been paid in USDC on base chain. No need of bridging, no need of buying native coins, just the just the assets you hold. Taichi understands the request, UGF gets the quote, and the gas is paid in USDC on base chain. No BNB needed, and now you can see the transaction has been executed on BNB chain. Now we will shift to Solana ecosystem and also on Telegram, not just CLI. First, I ask for USDC balance on Solana for wallets I have. Now we will ask for USDC balance on base for both wallets in which transaction fees has to be paid. I say send USDC on Solana from one wallet to another and pay gas in USDC on base. Then agent asks how much I have to send, and let's send half of my balance. UGF routes the gas payment on base. It sponsors the Solana transfer and the transaction goes through Universal Gas Framework. No SOL needed, no bridging needed, no leaving the Telegram. This is not just a wallet. This is an AI agent that understands intent, executes cross-chain, and abstract gas completely. This is Tychi Agentic Wallet, and UGF is the layer underneath.